What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. So today we on the way to my fiance dad's to go and wrap Ella car that I bought, we bought in another video a couple of videos back. If y'all want to go check that out, I'll have it at the end. But we're gonna try to wrap it the same color as my car. So it's gonna be the first time. I'm not a professional rapper. She's not a professional either.
I am a professional rapper,
I guess. But this is the first time I'm doing something like this, especially, and we don't even know if it's really go right. So I got a bunch of wrap left over. So and then once we get to the house, I'm gonna show y'all the car a little bit more, because I didn't really show it much whenever I did make the video. I just showed her riding it and that was it. So let's go ahead and get it started. Alright, y'all, so we got, this is the car right here, these trash bags. So we gotta take these trash bags off, and we're gonna start trying to look at it, see if we can take it apart, because we're gonna have to take it apart in order to wrap some of the pieces. So let's go ahead and do that right quick.
Damn, son.
Zena.
And I expect my daughter to have a slow-mo the way your car gets a slow-mo. Okay?
What?
Your car gets a slow-mo in your videos. My daughter gets a slow-mo of her car too, with the music in the background.
We already took off the windshield because I started working, and I was just about to go at it, but we about to try to take this off so we able to wrap this first. We can leave. I mean, there's no point in trying to take this off. This will look cool once it'll be like printed in there, because we could probably, it comes off. You want to take it off?
It's up to you.
We could just take it off.
Y'all guys want to eat hard?
The car just goes complete. That jalapeno is reaching out here.
I know, that's why I'm like, whoa.
Okay.
So there's that. What's underneath it though?
Just stuff connected. We can disconnect it.
Let me see. Oh yeah. The problem is I don't really want to reconnect stuff because, well, you already did it.
Nah, I'm just gonna put it to the side like this.
Just remember to reconnect that.
Yeah. And then here's the.
That's for the door.
That's for the door, huh?
Yeah.
Are the screws all the same size?
It looks like it.
Looks like it.
No, not it looks like it. Make sure they are.
No, they are. They're all these small little black screws. And I saw you can take this back part off too.
Can you?
Yeah. You just gotta pop these out the way that other one was popped out. See? And then there's a screw right there. Because if it's a sticker, I don't want it.
So look how easy this is coming off. Like that. So we can go ahead and take this off, and I'm gonna bring you right back.
I want to take this off.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna attempt to go ahead and start wrapping the hood of her car. But I'm gonna say this now, I don't know what I'm doing. So this is our first time both of us doing this. So we can go ahead.
Yeah. Limb here.
So
we completely debadged the car.
Yeah, the car's completely debadged. So we can go ahead and cut a piece and go ahead and try to wrap the top of the car. Wrap the doors instead of the hood. Not professional.
There's some air bubbles in there.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to set the camera down and help him. So you guys are probably going to be watching this in speed up version. But yeah.
You can turn it off and we can turn it on after.
And what happened?
Alright, we decided to try to take as much stuff as we can off in order to wrap it, because it'll be easier if it's flat than with all this extra stuff on. So got the door handle off and all that.
And then the other side of the door is off right there.
Yeah.
So this is the main outside part, but are we still wrapping the inside part too?
Nah, we're not gonna wrap the inside, just the outside.
So the outside is gonna be red, the inside's gonna be white, and then it's gonna have some black stuff.
Yeah. And a little bit of chrome.
A little bit of chrome. So it's not gonna look exactly like her dad's car, but it'll look similar. I mean, if it turns out that we don't like the inside being white, then I don't know. Maybe we'll glue some carpet in there.
Alright, y'all, so we took apart the doors, like I said, and she is currently working on, let's not show my information, but she is currently working on, this is the first door. Not bad, like parts like this we're gonna cut out, obviously, we'll cut that out.
So if you flip it over, it'll show you what it goes to.
Yeah, so these parts right here we'll go
This is the detail piece, and then this is the door handle part.
Yeah, so we also got a heat gun that we're gonna be using right here. We, of course,
You should have plugged the extension cord in.
obviously we're not gonna use much of the heat gun, but we're not gonna use it long, because obviously that's plastic can melt if it's too much heat. But we're gonna use it to heat it up a little bit if we gotta stretch it. So if this a fail, y'all gonna know. So alright, let's get it. Y'all see we got this door is done, and I'm about to start just cutting it. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a professional, so my corners is a little of a whack job, but she's already starting to wrap this one, and then next we'll probably go ahead and try to wrap. You want to wrap the hood?
The hood.
We'll try
which
to
was gonna be the hardest for us?
the bumper and stuff, and going around the car. So we should try to. So here's the finished door. Obviously, like we said, not perfect, but it works. I think it's gonna look pretty good, and once we get the whole thing done, I think it's gonna look pretty good. And then let me see yours. All right, I see you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna start on, like I said, the top. Alright, y'all, so I cut out a piece for the hood, and I'm about to attempt to wrap the hood. Now, we're going to attempt to wrap it while it's on the car instead of taking everything apart. Obviously, we took the doors off, but we don't want to take everything off. So this part's like right here, I'll probably be able just to cut around them, to cut those out and tuck it. So I really wish I could take this grill out and all the chrome pieces off, because I would want to like just spray paint them gloss black also. So alright, y'all, so this doesn't look that bad. Like she said, I have to be a little bit more careful when I'm cutting it. As you can see, a little bit of white, but I mean, that's just that side done. We got to get this side done, and then the hard part is going to be the bumper, the back bumper, and actually the side. Honestly, those are going to be the hard parts.
Who's turning out to be a pro at
she's doing it way better than I am, so.
I'm a lot more patient than he is too.
Yeah.
It's been a struggle.
Alright, y'all, so it took us 3 times to get this, and it's not even how we would like it.
Perfect.
But it's not even perfect. Got a bunch of imperfections, y'all. Of course, y'all can't really see. Huh?
Let them know what's going on.
Alright, so we gotta finish the side, the front bumper, the back bumper, but obviously we don't know who's doing. So it's coming along. It's coming along. And
We at least got what we thought was the easiest part. The hardest part is going to be these bottom portions.
Yeah, so I don't know if this is gonna be all in one video. I probably will make this 2-part, but I most likely will make this a 2-part video.
Fix your hair. You got that little redo.
But I need a haircut. Alright, y'all, so I just realized I didn't even show y'all the car and explain to y'all. So it is the Discovery, Range Rover, whatever you want to call it. Has a, once we finish with it, I'm gonna show y'all everything on it, but I do have another video. It does have like a little screen on it for her, so I don't know if it's gonna turn on because we actually have some stuff that's unplugged on it. So has a screen, you can put music, whatever, USB, whatever, you can connect to Bluetooth, all that good stuff on this little screen right here. Leather seats, y'all can see, has leather seats on it. I mean, this thing is pretty nice. So right there, push the start, you can make it go faster. You got different modes and stuff you can put it in, honestly. And I mean, I got this, even got karaoke. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got it for a good, pretty decent price. So I'm gonna continue this video in another video of me wrapping it. And I'll see y'all in that video.